In this video, I'm going to tell you how to get rid of viruses and spyware fast. This is Mike Locascio from mslcomputerservice, and I help people on my channel fix their computer and keep their computer running good. And let's get started. The first thing is, if you think you have virus or spyware on your computer, make sure you download and save all your files and print documents out that are important to you. That way, if you have to reformat your computer, or if the viruses and the spyware could damage your files, and your files will be safe from any of that problems, you can always reinstall them later. The second tip is disconnect your computer from a network. If your computer's on a network, you don't want to keep it on the network while you're doing this, so disconnect it so you don't infect any other computers. And when you're removing viruses and spyware, you want to have the least amount of things hooked up to your computer as possible. Third step, disable System Restore. In Windows, there's an option called System Restore. You go in there and you just disable it. It's pretty simple. You can do a search for it, and you can put it in your search and then hit go and go to System Restore, and just make sure you disable it. The fourth step would be Scan with Malwarebytes. There's a program called Malwarebytes, free version. If you have it, you make sure you download and you scan with that. And if you don't have it, download it right away and scan with that program, and that will locate and find infections, viruses, and all kinds of junk that gets on your computer. At the end of that scan, it's going to give you an option to remove everything, and click on the bottom, hit remove, and just wait until it goes through the process. Number 5 is install antivirus software. If you don't have antivirus software and you want a good free one, go to Avast. It's called AVAST free version. You can download that from the internet also. Just make sure you're getting the free version. If you want the paid version, that's fine too, but the free version seems to be working fine. I've been using it for years, and it will detect and remove viruses. Once you download that, you run that program all the way through and follow the directions at the end if it finds any viruses. And we'll get into number 7, reconnect your computer to the network. After you did all that and cleaned everything out, reconnect it back to the network. And then number 8, step 8 is automatic updates Windows software. Make sure you go to your automatic updates and do a full update. Any updates that you have and that you haven't downloaded and that you need, make sure you download those updates, because those updates are what protects you from future viruses. They're called patches, and what they have on those patches are files that people have already had viruses, and these are the fixes for those viruses. So do all those 8 steps, and that will help you remove viruses and spyware fast. Again, this is Mike Locascio. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. I come out with videos every couple days. And if you have any questions, put it down there, and I'll answer your questions. If you have any problems, other problems, and if you still need help after you've done all these steps, let me know. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Make sure you watch my videos, because I have several other videos too that can help you with other computer problems. So again, see you in the next video.